Hello guys, it's nice to have you here in my channel. Thanks for always coming back and clicking on this video. I appreciate you all. Thanks for moving us forward in this channel. Thank you. Today we are making transparent liquid soap. So we are not using all the 9 ingredients as usual, but we are using just a few of them. So what I poured in that blue bucket is my soda ash. I poured soda ash in that blue bucket, and now this is SLS. I am pouring into the black bucket. SLS is what I'm pouring inside the black bucket. You have to allow it some time to dissolve the SLS completely. If you don't dissolve your SLS completely, your soap is going to have lumps. So that is why you normally leave it for like 30 minutes to ensure that all the grains are dissolved. Right in this peach bucket, this ash bucket, I'm pouring my Nitrosol, and you have to stir Nitrosol immediately or else it will turn to lump also. So you stir it immediately and let everything dissolve completely. So after dissolving it, before I will turn to the contents of the other 2 buckets. Thank you for always coming back to my channel. I know you have been supportive. God bless you. But in case you are new, this is the first time you are coming to this channel, please don't forget to like this video, drop your comment, and kindly subscribe to my channel. There is something I want to plead with you guys also. That is, please kindly join my channel membership. You have exclusive perks to enjoy when you join. God bless you. So I added more water to the pill so that it can dissolve the Nitrosol completely and very fast. Everything about this soap I'm making is 10 liters. All the water I will use is 10 liters. So I'm turning the content of the blue bucket, which is my soda ash, stirring it to ensure that everything dissolves completely. So you just take turn to be stirring. When you turn the SLS, then you turn the soda ash. So within say about 30 minutes or so, everything will be completely dissolved, just like I have it now. So what I want to do is to dissolve my caustic soda very little, just about a spoonful. So I take a little water and then I pour in the caustic soda. So I dissolve the caustic soda. That is the next ingredient I'm going to be adding to the bowl. What I have in the bowl is my Nitrosol already dissolved. So when I stir the caustic soda, I will add it to the Nitrosol. One thing about the reaction between Nitrosol and caustic soda is that it makes the mixture to be very thick. It thickens almost immediately. As you are pouring, you will be seeing the reaction, and that is what actually gives that thickness to the soup and fluffiness. So just turn in the caustic soda, that is the light solution, already dissolve the water and stir it. It makes the Nitrosol to become thick before you start adding the other ingredients. So I'm going to allow it to dissolve, and then I will pour in the other ingredients. The next thing I want to add is my Texapon. I'm not using sulfonic acid in this recipe, so I added my Texapon. Look at it. Please, you will check the description box for all the quantity of all the ingredients that I use in this recipe. I will write everything out, the measurement, the quantity. I will write everything out and give you also some links to where you can get the chemicals, and depending on the city where you find yourself. So I added my Texapon. You can see that the mixture is becoming very thick. So that's in the bucket there. I have my Nitrosol, I have caustic soda, and now Texapon. So stir it very well to make sure that everything mixes up completely before you add the next ingredient. Some people have sent me DM and they have asked questions like, why is it that my soap is lumpy? Why is it that my soap is not foaming? Why is it that my soap is watery? These are some of the reasons. You have to, number 1, use the exact quantity of the ingredients, and number 2, you have to make sure that each ingredient is properly dissolved before you add it together. If not, you're going to have one or two of those bad soaps. Either it will form lump or it will not be, it will be watery, just depending on what you did not get right. So make sure that you take the correct measurement. So I'm adding my soda ash. Added my soda ash to this bucket and stir. You can see it become thicker and so white. One thing I love about making liquid soap is that it's very easy. Okay, now I added my SLS also. This particular recipe will make the soap to be very foamy, very foamy. I actually am making this for a particular client, and I know she loves beautiful things, so I don't want to make any mistakes. The soap came out very beautiful and fine. So I mix everything together. I poured everything. So what I'm adding right now is a foam booster. Remember, I made foam booster a time ago, so I'm showing you how to make foam booster. But in case you have forgotten or you did not watch that video, I will put the link so that you can go watch the video and learn how to make your foam booster. You don't have to be buying foam booster all the time. You can actually make your foam booster, or you can just check my videos and you see it, how to make foam booster. Very simple, and then you can package it and keep aside for your use. I'm adding the fragrance. I had a mixture of fragrance. I added the lemon fragrance. I mixed it up with blue water, and that is what I'm using for this soap. I want it to have a very nice fragrance. You can choose or decide the fragrance that you use. It's not a must that you use this one I'm using, but whatever suits you, you can use in terms of color and in terms of fragrance. Now, in terms of color, I want to add lemon color. Lemon color, when you see it in the powdered form, it looks like orange color, but once you add it into water, you can see it turning lemon immediately. So that's the color I'm using. I actually always like to ask my customers to tell me which color they want. I made several colors of liquid soap here. I've made bottle green, I've made blue, I've made this lemon several times. I've made even pink liquid soap. My fear is that kids should not go and think that it's ice cream and pick it up. So I always want to kind of restrain myself to using lemon green and bottle green. So this is lemon I'm using. See, when you see it in the powdered form, it looks like orange color, but once you add it to water, it changes to green. Okay, so you can add the color to any quantity you like. You know, the thickness of the color depends on your choice, so you can make it just exactly the way you like it. The soap is formed already. The only thing I have to do is to give it some time, leave it for about say 4 to 5 hours to allow the foamy part of it to cool down, and then I will bottle it and supply. That is it. Yeah, so please, in case you are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share to your friends. Thank you and bye.